Let's start with the 4 key definitions we need for describing a set of data. The mean is the sum of all the values divided by how many values there are. The median is the middle value once the data has been put in order. But if there's an even number of values, there's no single middle one, so you average the 2 middle values instead. The mode is simply the value that appears most often in the data set. And the range is the largest value minus the smallest value. Let's try worked example 1 with the data set 47496. Before we do anything else, we must order the data from smallest to largest. That gives us 4, 4, 6, 7, 9. For the mean, we add all 5 values together. 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 equals 30. Then we divide by the count, which is 5. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. So the mean is 6. For the median, since there are 5 values, an odd number, the middle one is the third value in our ordered list. That value is 6, so the median is 6. For the mode, we look for the value that repeats. Here 4 appears twice more than any other value, so the mode is 4. For the range, we take the largest value, 9, and subtract the smallest value, 4. 9 minus 4 equals 5, so the range is 5. Now let's look at worked example 2 with the data set 12, 15, 12, 20. This set already happens to be close to ordered, but let's order it properly. 12, 12, 15, 20. For the mean, we add all 4 values. 12 plus 15 plus 20 equals 59. Then we divide by the count, which is 4. 59 divided by 4 equals 14.75. So the mean is 14.75. Now here's the important part. Since there are 4 values, an even number, there is no single middle value. The 2 middle values in our ordered list are 12 and 15. To find the median, we average them. 12 plus 15 equals 27, divided by 2 equals 13.5. So the median is 13.5. Here is the key trick to remember. Finding the median always requires ordering the data first. This is not optional, and it is not something you can skip even for small data sets. Treat it as a mandatory first step every single time. Now, a very common trip-up. When there is an even number of values, learners often pick just one of the 2 middle values and call that the median, instead of averaging both of them. Watch out for this sign of a mistake. If your count is even, you must add the 2 middle values and divide by 2, never just pick one. Here's a helpful teaching tip to avoid that trip-up. Once your data is ordered, physically cross out the smallest remaining value and the largest remaining value, one pair at a time, working inward from both ends. Keep crossing out pairs until you are left with either one value, which is your median directly, or 2 values, which you then average to get your median.